Shay. I'm here for my Walmarts. Well, it's a weekend, still the weekend, right? It's still the weekend. So I thought, you know, I'm close. I'm not super close. Let me stop. I needed like 6 or 7 more offers. And I was like, you know what? Let's just see if we can make this happen. But if you're new here, and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay. Hello, Shay with the Pow. Pow, to be take a sec and subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button, girl. So listen, I only need like 6 or 7 offers, and I was like, okay, we got some offers on Ibotta. We got the same offers on the sister apps being Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, Tada, Easy Bucks, and Upromise, and the second, third cousin. You know what? We're not even gonna talk about that one right now. And then we have the same offers also on Checkout 51. So I want to see, because y'all know your girl likes to try some stuff. So I want to see if we can get a triple stack. All right, I want a triple stack, like not pancakes at IHOP, but a triple stack in with the apps. All right, so we're gonna see if it works out. And so my goal today is to do 2 separate transactions. My first one is gonna be doing Walmart rewards. All right, I do have a video linked in the description for those of you who want to know how to use Walmart rewards. I just hit my $1,500 mark threshold. I wish they did have bonuses on for Walmart rewards. One of y'all asked what's better, Walmart rewards or Ibotta. Well, Ibotta has bonuses. Walmart rewards don't. There are some offers you'll find only on Walmart rewards versus Ibotta. So, you know, and so 2 transactions. The first one, I'm going to do all of my Walmart reward offers. Once it hits my Walmart app, I'm going to use that and I'm going to roll it into my Ibotta offers. That's the only way that I do it. I don't really activate my offers until I get to the store, just in case, especially if I'm planning to do the deal twice, because I hate to activate it before I get there and then they only have one, and now either I pay cash to bypass my Walmart app, or I just do it for Walmart. All right, and so that's just a little tip there. And so that's how I do it. So that's the goal. We're gonna see if everything works out. Now, I was on YouTube this morning. I saw My Best Deals post a deal on the YoPlay, so I had to hit Bonds first, which is a Safeway affiliate, and do this deal on the YoPlay yogurt. They end up being 39 cents each. There's 2 digitals that you have to clip. And you're grabbing 10 of them for the Ibotta offer, and after digitals you pay $3.40 and you get back $3.50. So basically 10-cent moneymaker, y'all. And I got 10. Do you want to see? That's all the 10. And I'm lucky that I got what I got, because if I would have waited till after Walmart, I doubt I wouldn't even be talking about this deal right now. And so I only got strawberry and vanilla because that's literally all they had left, and key lime, and I don't like key lime. And so definitely, if you have a Safeway affiliate, definitely do that deal there. And so with that being said, I'm gonna now head over to Walmart, see what kind of awesome deals that I can grab there. If you want to see what your girl got, you want to see what triple stack for us today, definitely hit the like button and keep on watching.
All right, y'all. So now the breakdown picks, they all say Walmart rewards, but just a note that these deals are available for Walmart rewards and Ibotta. And so this deal here normally pops up. It's on the Eucerin. It's priced at $9.98, getting back $3 for either Walmart rewards or Ibotta, $3 on Swagbucks, and $3 on Checkout 51 will bring this down to only 98 cents. Next up is the Aquaphor. Now, this is the really small one. It is working for all of the apps. They do also have an Aquaphor Baby. I think there's 2 other products that are relatively inexpensive. But I went ahead and grabbed this one, priced at $7.87, getting back $3 for either Walmart rewards or Ibotta. $3 on Swagbucks and $3 on Checkout 51, making this $8.13 moneymaker. All right, so this deal here is on the Nivea lotion. It's the 8.4 ounce, I want to say. We did go over this deal in the last video, but it has since gotten a little bit better. Well, let's just face it, it's gotten a lot better. All right, so it's priced at $4.97, getting back $2 for either Walmart rewards or Ibotta. $2 on Swagbucks, and $2 on Checkout 51, making this $1.03 moneymaker. Now, I did scan the gold bottle. I think it's cocoa butter, but that one didn't work, which is the one that I kind of low-key wanted. I'm so over this dial deal on the sister apps. I've been putting in tickets left and right. I'm over it, all right? I would definitely proceed with this deal with caution. However, I only needed one offer, so I grabbed the dial. priced at $134, getting back 35 cents for either Walmart Rewards or Ibotta. If I don't include Swagbucks, it makes it 99 cents. If I get that back, it would make it 24 cents. So this deal here, we did go over in my last Walmart video. We were praying and hoping and wishing that this would pop up on Checkout 51 Sunday morning, and it did. And so for this, there's only one store that actually carries the baby one. It's priced at $17.97, getting back $8 for Walmart Rewards. Now, I know some of you guys might have $8 on Ibotta. I have $6, which is why I chose Walmart Rewards. Getting back $8 on Swagbucks, $8 on Checkout 51, makes this a $6.03 moneymaker. Now, they do have the regular kind, the adult kind, which is priced at $20.82. If you get back 8 times 3 would make that still a $3.18 moneymaker, which is still not a bad deal. All right, y'all. So this deal here, I know we all love this deal. I know I love this deal. And what's even better is when it's available for both Walmart Rewards and Ibotta, because guess what you can do? Yes, you can do it twice. And when it's on the sister apps, you can do it up to 6 times, which is awesome. And so I did this deal. They're priced at $3.97. Getting back $3 on either Walmart Rewards or Ibotta, $3 on Swagbucks, and $3 on Checkout 51, making this a $5.03 moneymaker. Now, I did notice today, scanning things on Swagbucks, nothing scanned. And so just want to note that. Last but not least, we have the Airwick diffuser. Now for this, you can grab the inexpensive one. It's priced at $7.48. If it triple stacks, it'll be a $4.52 moneymaker. But I prefer getting the one that has the oil with it. And so I grabbed this one here, priced at $9.98. Getting back $4 for Walmart Rewards or Ibotta, $4 on Swagbucks, and $4 on Checkout 51. Making this a $2.02. So last but not least is the Tyson chicken breast sandwich. These are priced at $7.82, getting back $7 on Swagbucks. Now, this is a G word. It's not supposed to work on one. And so I went ahead and grabbed 2 of them. I did get back $14. I did it one set yesterday. Yesterday, I still had the Checkout 51 offer. So it was $1.30 moneymaker. Today that offer is gone, but I still think it's a really great deal. Once I did 2 sets today as well. Big shout out to Coupon Mode for sharing this deal in her last Walmart video. And so yeah, with that being said, I will see you guys at home for the final breakdown. All right, y'all, so here is my complete haul for today. This worked out really good. I wanted to get this video up yesterday, but I was waiting for Checkout 51 to process. It didn't process till 2 o'clock this morning. And then I went ahead and submitted my receipts on the sister apps. Now the Tyson deal, Coupon Mode shared that in her video yesterday. I ran and did it, and it was like, they were like pulling it as I was trying to submit it. So it kept saying, offer not found or something like that, contact support. And I just kept clicking on different apps to find it. I finally found it and was able to submit for the set that I got yesterday. Now that set yesterday, they only had 1 original and 1 spicy. So I scanned the original twice for that set, but this deal is only on the original. And then when I checked today, it had reset and they hadn't changed anything. It was still buy 1, get 7. And so I was like, cool. So I did it again for my points, and I think I did my points in Swagbucks. Yesterday, I think I did inbox dollars. And so I only did 6 because I don't have any freezer space in the fridge in the garage. It's broken. And I'm going to probably most likely give these to my sister next time she comes. I'll probably try one though, because we got to try the product and see how it tastes, right? But that is an awesome deal. If you're not using, I don't suggest you use all the sister apps, but look, it's always good to have them because offers do vary from app to app. Like for example, the Suavitel? This week, some apps it said $2, some it said $3, and some said $4. So it's never a bad idea to at least sign up to them. So that way, you can check them, and go for the app that has the best deal, right? And so that is an awesome deal there. I went ahead and did the essential, the little single one, just for my second Walmart app, along with one of the sister apps, rather than getting this one. But I do prefer to get the starter kit. I mean, because these, I mean, what are you going to do with them if you don't have the oil? So you might as well just pay an extra $1 or $2 and get the whole setup, right? As far as the Yoplait, I think I mentioned that in my intro. I'm going to do that deal again. I'll probably go today and do it because when I got those, they didn't have very many left. And I figured if they have the original ones, I can just give those to my sister as well for the kids. Because I don't eat the regular ones. I just either eat the light ones or the protein ones. And the protein ones wasn't a part of the promotion, which would have been awesome. And so with that being said, everything you see here retails $147.55. The only ginger that I had was the 50-cent one for the yogurt, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $147.05. Our sales tax was $8.72. I'm getting back a total of $38.20 from checkout 51, $29.75 from Easybucks, $29 from Walmart Rewards, $23.85 from Ibotta, $22 from Swagbucks, $21 from My Points, $14 from Inbox Dollars. Last but not least, $3 from Field Agent. I only did one Field Agent job today, and that was because I was going to Vons. I was like, I'll just do it there while I'm there. So getting back a total of $180.80 makes everything you see here free plus a $33.75 moneymaker, which is pretty awesome. Now, as far as my receipts on the sister apps, everything is in review except the chicken sandwiches. I think that's the only thing that went straight through. And best believe, y'all, if I had more freezer space, I would have did it across the board, with the exception of the second sister, cousin, brother removed, whatever. Which reminds me, that app I probably won't be using. They need more time. The other thing I wanted to mention was the dial. I've been going back and forth between My Points and Swagbucks. I'm over it. At this point, I'm just going to take it back to the store. As a matter of fact, it's in a bag right there. The dial is going back to the store, and that'll just be that. I don't understand why it's so hard for them to just to fix it. The items that I got are listed. They do scan, and it just should be as easy as that, but apparently it's not. Oh, really quick, we did get some Flavor Wiki surveys for cereal, really quick before I leave. It was for the Cocoa Pebbles and the Reese's Puffs. I think that's what they're called. I'm still trying to find the cheapest store to get them from, but it is a combo deal, so you have to buy them both. I'm not sure if they have to be on the same receipt though. I know CVS has the Reese's for $1.99, and the Pebbles there is like $5. So I don't know, but the survey is a lot. This one is a lot. You guys, there's a lot of steps, there's a lot of moving parts to it. So I low-key am not really sure if I'm going to do it, but my ass probably will. Let's be honest. And so with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button on your way out the door. If you made it to the end, I want to see, let's just see a chicken. Okay, let's see a chicken. Even though that's probably not even chicken. It's probably not. It's probably not even chicken. Let me see a chicken anyways. In the comments if you made it to the end. As always, I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.